Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, I hope it is recording properly now. I kept a dead cat, literally the name dead cat. I forgot to put the music, so just hold on a second. And let's the ride begin. So welcome back to my channel guys. So this is the first video after I kept this mic setup, that GoPro mic adapter with the mic and all the other accessories which is needed. I would have done that before, but never late or something, it is there, some saying is there, right? Better late than never or something like that. So today actually I'm planning to go for a long ride now. Long ride as in 3-4 days, 5 days, something like that, from Bangalore to Kanyakumari and Dhanuskodi, Rameswaram, and if possible and time permits, from there somewhere else, maybe Pondicherry or Tanjore. That we will decide after going and how the situations will be. So currently my clutch wire, actually this clutch which is there, it is little tight. So one of my friend Shreyas, he rides bike, he's also a rider, so he suggested that there is a chance that there will be dust accumulation inside the pipe of this clutch wire, and which will not be good for the long term. If you see, if it is hard, that means there is dust accumulated over there, and then suddenly it can break, and you know, without clutch nothing can happen, means you can't even do anything. So I thought better why to wait for that particular thing to happen and then do the solution for that. Instead of that, I will just go to that service center, and if they can change that particular wire now only, so I'll do that. I hope the voice is coming properly. One good thing which I'm thinking now about this will be, after the ride is done, I can just take the video out from here and no need of doing a voiceover, because again that was a kind of time waste. And the good thing about this, while riding, if you record your voice, so the enthusiasm, the excitement, everything will be captured on the point or to the point. And when you do voiceover, that excitement can't come, actually the feeling can't come. That is one of the reason I thought, yeah, it will be good, because many times when I go for a ride and then you see suddenly something will happen. You see some wild animal, you saw some beautiful sunset, beautiful sunrise, any mountain area, mountain range, greenery, forest, whatever. So on that particular moment, the excitement which will be there, with that excitement what you are talking, what you are feeling, and which can be captured through this now, and that can't be reciprocated again after coming back home and then seeing the video and then telling those things. Nothing, that will not come. So I thought better to give it a try and see if this works, well and good. If it don't, at least I don't have to do voiceover again after coming back home. It will be done. So yeah. The only bad thing which is there right now is that I can't, not I can, actually this GoPro is not waterproof because of this mic adapter and all. When mic adapter is not there, it is fully waterproof. No need of worrying at all, driving in the rain, falling in the water, whatever things. But when you keep this mic adapter, it's not waterproof. So as soon as it will start raining, you have to stop the bike, keep it aside, remove the mic adapter, all these jazz you have to do. So that is not good. That's why this new GoPro 12, that at least they gave one good feature to connect your Bluetooth device without even opening anything. So that is one good thing. Next target will be that, but no, before that I want to get the 360 camera. One of the good thing about that. Plus I don't have to worry about the frame, what is coming in that. I can adjust later. So this is the Atibele junction. So now I have two choices. One, Royal Enfield Service Center is just a couple of kilometers from here. Another one is nearby Bomasandra. So yesterday I called to that Bomasandra. They told they have the stock. But if I will go there, it will be another 15 minutes. But they have everything. And this one again, if I will stop and they'll not have again, oh forget, we'll go to the Bomasandra only. So right now the problem is my clutch, it is very hard to press. But I am driving like this only from long time, so for me it was not an issue. Sorry. And couple of days back, no months actually, couple of days back when that Shreyas was driving, he asked for the bike and he was driving, he said, oh my god, your clutch is very hard, need to change it. I said, what, it is hard? I don't even know that. Then he showed his bike and then we were in a parking, so I tested for at least 4 or 5 bikes, everything, and all of them the clutch was very smooth. I said, oh, okay, fine, that means really there is an issue with it. And as I said before, if anything happens to the clutch, you can't move your bike. I think so. From here only I have to go under the pass, so that no need of going front and take the U-turn. Yeah, this is the one. So it is done and it is like damn smooth. Wow. It was literally, oh, I have a habit of high thing, means too hard clutch, and this is appearing. I am not at all having any clutch right now. Oh my god, how low, tight it was. Wow. Oh my god, yes. That is the thing. Until you do some stuff, you will not know the difference. If you don't do the change, there will be no difference. Whoever said that, oh my god, that is too good. Though the videography was not allowed inside much, I tried to take little bit and I saw what he is doing. But really, I can tell you guys, the difference in the clutch pressure, the hardness is like drastic. Right now it is appearing like makhan. And because I was having habit of that hard clutch, and it was not soft at all, it was means it is right now for me more. It is like, wow, why I didn't do this before. So that's it in this video. Soon I'll be uploading more videos with different scenarios, different places and all that, and hope to see you guys again. If you like this video, please like, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I'll try to bring these kind of videos more and more, and try to visit more places nearby, and then see you in my next video. Thanks a lot.